Hello! Happy almost Halloween. Today we're going to talk about how you can find your own natural sugar substitute, possibly in your own backyard even, or otherwise maybe hiking, camping, something like that. So if you're ready, let's get started. Does anyone know what these are? Can you guess? Have you ever seen them before? These are manzanita berries. What we're going to do is just push them through a mesh sieve like this. You might have one of these. And this will help get the seeds out so we don't consume those, but it'll grind up the skin and the sugar, the powdery sugar inside. So the skin will have a lot of fiber, and the whole berry has a lot of antioxidants and nutrients. So all of those will stay intact while we get rid of the seeds. So just push them around. It's kind of hard to do holding the camera, so I'm going to try to push them around better and show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like after. So there aren't any left, but a lot of the skins and a lot of the seeds are left. It's okay. And here's what you got. So obviously it's a little labor intensive. You're not going to come out with cups and cups of this stuff between picking the berries and grinding them up, but easily you'll get a couple tablespoons in no time. So you can top your oatmeal with it or sprinkle a little bit in your tea. Get creative with it and look through your different low sugar recipes that might have, a tablespoon or a few teaspoons of sugar, and try replacing it with this. It's got a nice sweet taste to it. It's like sweet tarts. It's kind of surprising because you wouldn't expect that if you just go out and open the little berry and it's just full to powder. It's got a lot of antioxidants and vitamin C, minerals and vitamins. I'll post those so you can see what's in there. It's got fiber. I'll post a lot of these different pictures in the videos so you can see what the tree looks like, the leaves, the berries. So it's not a tree to easily get confused with others, luckily, because it's got a really dark red bark and it peels. Manzanitas have like a deep, really gorgeous deep red, even kind of turns black sometimes. But let me know if you've tried this, if you're going to try it, if you have these berries in your area, or if you've ever seen them hiking or camping. Let me know if you are going to go try it and find some and harvest them and make some sugar with them. Post any recipes you've tried and let me know. Thank you for joining me today. Have a very happy Halloween, and I'll see you next time.